For me, this is going in the trash. Okay, in this video, we're going to do a quick review of the Viktor Jurgen massage pillow that I got on Amazon for about 40 bucks. And I'm going to give an honest review, the good and the bad. And yes, there is bad. Spoiler alert, it's already broken. So we purchased this massager about 6 months ago. It worked good for a while, and unfortunately, as of right now, and the last few times we tried it, as you can see it spin here, what happens is these Shiatsu motors, or these massagers, start to weaken. And you can see there it comes to a complete stop. Unfortunately, as far as the pros, the good thing about this massager, this Viktor Jurgen, is that it's a deep massager. So if you're someone that likes kind of more of like a rough massage, something that really gets to the muscle, this is your massager. And it gives a very, very deep massage. Some people, I looked at all the Amazon reviews, and some people are reporting that it hurts too much. I don't think it's for everybody. I think a lot of people don't like that, but I'm the kind of person that loves those deep, like deep finger massages that hits hard into the muscle. And unfortunately, at $40 in the design of it, I don't think it's meant to last for a long period of time. I know if you look on Amazon, there's a lot of positive reviews. There's a lot more positive than negative. There's a very few negative. I'm kind of wondering if they were just quick with the trigger and got it and loved it and immediately wrote a review instead of, giving it 2 to 6 months like we did. We used it maybe once or twice a week. It was great. Tried it out on my neck, loved it. And then after about 3 months, it started getting weaker and weaker. There's nothing that we could do. And now it's just completely stopped working whatsoever. Once it makes contact with the body, it could just literally just be your hand. The motors will completely stop. So I think the pros of it is that it is a good massager when it does work. And I think it's good for temporary good massages. I would kind of see this item as more of like a disposable, perishable item, meaning it's not something that you're going to have for months and definitely not years if you use it on a consistent basis. It's something, like I said, it's more perishable that you'll use maybe for a few times up to maybe 6 months. What I would highly recommend you do, as soon as you get it, get all the paperwork, lock it up. The warranty's good for a year, and 99% of the chance, if you use it on a consistent basis every week, you're going to need that warranty. And of course, you're going to get the same item, but it'll give you maybe another 2 to 6 months of use. Like I said, don't expect much. And think about it. Like if you get a massage, you go down to the local masseuse and you get a massage, a deep massage on your neck. I mean, that's a 50, 100 bucks, 120 bucks right there, depending on what part of the world you live in. And this is only 40 bucks. So what I'm saying is don't expect too much. This particular model is a VJ-D003, and being that it's broken, I want to go ahead and open it up. I want to cut it open. I want to go ahead and unplug it here. And let's see what the inside of it looks like. So that's what this Shiatsu massager looks like right here. And unfortunately for $40, this thing could only last so long. So, you get what you pay for. Like I said, as far as it's something that I would buy, for me economically, it's not something that I would buy because I'm somebody that likes stuff that lasts a long time. I'd be almost willing to pay a little bit more, maybe even a lot more, like $200 or $300 to get something that'll last a little bit longer. But it was good for what it was worth. So for me, this is going in the trash. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.